How to re-roll races in the Forge. First, you need to go to the wizard. Just follow my lead and we'll head there together.
Corruption is not bad. Corruption is only bad if I'm not involved. But if I'm part of that corruption, I'll defend it. What is that?
Once you reach him, interact with the wizard.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
After that, choose option number 1. As you can see, I currently have 5 re-rolls.
Nice.
Let's see if we get angel or demon.
Wait. Oh my God. Let him cook. Let him cook now.
Hey, that's pretty good.
God is good. God is great. I mean, it's all right. Like,
What the heck?
That's really bad. Like and subscribe for more of the Forge tutorials.